So this video is on adding and subtracting fractions with different denominators. Our goal is to find a common denominator. I have 9/12 and 1/3. I know that 12 divided by 3 equals to 4. I cannot divide 3 by 12 and get a whole number. Therefore, my denominator is 12. I already have 9/12 here, so I'm going to just rewrite 9/12. Now, 1/3 needs to get to the denominator of 12. So I'm thinking to myself, 3 times what equals to 12? And I know that 3 times 4 equals 12. Since any number divided by itself is that number, whatever I multiply my denominator by, I have to multiply my numerator by. So 3 times 4 is 12. And now 1 times 4 is 4. I have a common denominator of 12. My denominator stays the same. It's 12. 9 plus 4 is 13. My numerator here is bigger than my denominator. It is called an improper fraction, so I'm going to change it to a mixed number. I know that there are 12 12s in one whole, and since I have 13 12s, I have 1 12 left over. So 13 12s is the same as 1 and 1 12. Similarly, if I wanted to subtract, and I'll use mixed number for this one. For example, 3 and 4 6 minus 1 and 1/5. In this case, 6 cannot be divided by 5, and 5 cannot be divided by 6. So I'm going to look for their least common multiple. In this case, it is 30 because 6 times 5 is 30. So to get to the denominator of 30, I'm going to leave alone my whole numbers. And I'm going to multiply 6 by 5. 6 times 5 is 30. And since I multiply denominator by 5, I have to multiply my numerator by 5. Now here I have denominator of 5. I'm trying to get 30 again. So 5 times 6 is 30. And 1 times 6 is 6. So again, I have denominator of 30. Numerator 4 times 5 is 20. Denominator is 30, 1 times 6 is 6. My whole number stays the same. 3 minus 1 is 2. Denominator is 30. 20 minus 6 is 14. And if you want it to be really cool, and I expect you to be really, really cool, you're going to simplify your fraction. You're going to reduce it. So I know that 14 can be divided by 2, and 30 can be divided by 2. So 14 divided by 2 gives me 7, and 30 divided by 2 gives me 15. My answer is 2 and 7/15, which is a whole number